Hi everyone, I'm Akshay Ramani, lead engineer here at Hydronic Shell Technologies. Today I'm going to talk to you about existing buildings, the problems with these existing buildings, as well as a solution to these problems. Then I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about our pilot project, as well as our new construction offering, the Hydro Wall. Let's get into it. So let's talk about existing buildings. Existing buildings often suffer from inefficient HVAC systems, poor and outdated facades, poor and outdated control systems. They also have poor indoor air quality as well as thermal comfort. Due to the old and outdated nature of these buildings, they also are very expensive to operate and maintain. Most solutions typically require tenants to be displaced, which is a big barrier to retrofitting any of these buildings. Other solutions have very poor ROI, which is a further deterrent to taking any action on these buildings. At Hydronic Shell, we have a solution to this problem. In introducing the Hydro Shell, we help enable cutting-edge modern HVAC systems. We improve the air quality as well as thermal comfort within these apartments. Due to the modern nature of our system, they're very simple to maintain as well as operate. A key component of our system is the new facade panel, which is super insulated and helps bring down the HVAC load in the building. This in turn brings down energy consumption as well as the carbon emissions. Finally, the new building also gets a complete facelift with the new facade panels, giving it a new modern look. We do all of this with minimal tenant disruption. So how does the magic happen? At the central plant, there's two key components. One is the energy recovery unit. The energy recovery unit conditions fresh air and filters it and supplies it to the apartment. It also recovers exhaust air energy from the kitchens as well as bathrooms. Then we have the heat pump, which can be air sourced, water sourced, as well as geothermal based, and provides chill water and hot water to these apartments. Both of these systems are connected to the apartments through the facade cavity via ductwork and piping that runs in the cavity. At the heart of it all is our proprietary hydro box unit that provides cooling and heating to the apartment based on the demand. The hydro shell is ready to deploy. We're working with Syracuse Housing Authority on a pilot project. The pilot project is at 418 Fabius Street and is a 7-story building with 52 apartments. Most of these apartments are occupied. In terms of design, we have completed the pre-schematic, schematic, as well as design documentation and are now moving towards the construction documentation phase. On the contracting side, we have onboarded all the contractors who are now focused on the construction mockup. The idea behind the construction mockup is to fine-tune all the logistics, procurement, as well as fine-tune any of the key details that are associated with our system. Another key feature of the pilot project is resident engagement. We want to make sure that the residents of the building are completely involved in key decision making throughout the design and construction process. So let's talk about our new construction offering, the Hydro Wall. The Hydro Wall might look very similar to a hydroshell system, but has a few key nuances. It is a completely prefabricated system with the HVAC piping, ductwork, as well as the hydrobox unit all embedded into the facade panel. Due to the offsite nature of the product, we strongly believe that this will help reduce construction costs as well as minimize on-site labor. Due to the prefabricated nature of the product, we believe this will really help improve the quality of the construction as well as help deploy with speed. Stay tuned as we develop this product further. Thank you.